Morning class. So yesterday I thought some technical issues were there and there was no audio in my video. So I thought I should explain you the poem Curious Town again today. So this poem was actually written by Mr. Harindranath Chattopadhyay. And before I should explain you the poem, I would like to explain you something about the poet. Mr. Chattopadhyay was basically very, you can say that a practical person who believes in enjoy the each and every moment of his life. He was a poet, he was an actor, he was so interested in the drama, and he always through his creations want us to be prepared for all the circumstances, and he wants that whenever the situations come we should welcome them and enjoy our life, instead of being worried we should enjoy the lives each and every moment. So, keeping this theme and the unit is also about the humor, the comedy, the circumstances, the incidents which will make you only laugh. But this poem, obviously, when you are going to read this poem, you are going to laugh a lot, imagining the situations, visualizing the situations, you will laugh. But at the same time, the poem will also teach us the moral of the life, also, how we used to spend our life. So, keeping this in your mind, and the poet has written the poem Curious Town. See, curious का मतलब अगर हिंदी में मैं बताऊँ तो इसका मतलब होता है जिज्ञासु। जिज्ञासा मतलब जानने की इच्छा, और जानने की इच्छा हमें उन्हीं चीज़ों के बारे में होती है जो हम सामान्य दिनों में नहीं देखते, जो हमारे लिए अनोखा है, अलग है, जो रोज़ नहीं दिखता है. सो in this poem, when we will read, you will find the circumstances, the things which used to come are not usual, that didn't used to see in day-to-day life. Now, I'm going to read the poem as well as I will explain you the poem, the paragraph wise. हर एक पैराग्राफ के बाद मैं इसको कोशिश करूँगी आपको समझाने की, and I hope that I will make you understand. So the poem Curious Town. I have arrived at a curious town which is painted with the curious hues, and there the kitten barks and barks, the puppy moves and moves. The poet has arrived to a town. पोएट एक ऐसी जगह पे है जहाँ कुछ भी उनको नॉर्मल नहीं लग रहा है. दैट मेक्स हिम curious about the things, and he used to say that I have arrived at a curious town which is painted with the curious hue. मतलब हर एक चीज़ वहाँ अलग है. हर एक चीज़ को देखने के बाद उन्हें ऐसा लगता है कि उन्हें इनके बारे में जानना है. Now what are these things? First, he saw that the kitten, generally when we used to talk about the voices of animals, the kitten used to meow, do meow sound, and the dog used to bark. But here in this town, what the poet is observing, that dogs are making, the puppies are making the sound of meow, and the kittens are barking, which is very unusual, which make the poet curious about this town. And there the frog climbs up a tree and it croaks in a curious way. Prepare for a shower of pelting ice. It is going to hell today. Now, what this means? This means that generally what happens, we used to see there is a hidden meaning, एक छिपा हुआ अर्थ भी है. लिटरल मीनिंग, लाइन से मीनिंग तो जो समझ में आ रहा है, बट इसके हिडन मीनिंग्स भी है. दैट लाइफ इज़ फुल ऑफ सरप्राइजेस. जीवन में कभी भी जो आप एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे होते हो शायद ही हो, है ना. ऑब्वियसली एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग हम लोग मेहनत करते हैं, कोशिश करते हैं, लेकिन ज़रूरी नहीं है कि भविष्य में आने वाला जो समय है वो हमारे हिसाब का ही हो. हर सब कुछ वहाँ क्या है, इट इज़ वेरी अनसर्टेन, नथिंग इज़ सर्टेन. बट वॉट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू बी प्रिपेयर फॉर ऑल द थिंग्स. हमें हमेशा किसी भी चीज़ के लिए तैयार रहना चाहिए. पोइट के लिए सारी चीज़ें अनयूजुअल थी. ही वॉज नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग दीज थिंग्स एट द that town, particular town, but at that same moment he was not only observing the things which is very curious for him, but as well as he was enjoying the things. That gives us a message. ये हमें एक संदेश देता है कि जब जो भी परिस्थिति हमारे बस की नहीं है तो हमें उसके लिए परेशान नहीं होना चाहिए, बल्कि उसको उसके हिसाब से जीवन को चलने देना चाहिए और हर एक घटना को, हर एक समय को एंजॉय करना चाहिए. जब परिस्थिति हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं है तो ऑब्वियसली हम क्या कर सकते हैं, हम सिर्फ उसका सामना कर सकते हैं. और अगर उसको फेस ही करना है तो दुखी होकर क्यों, उसको खुश होकर करें. So when after that the poet observes that generally frog is an amphibian and we used to find it in water or land, but the poet is observing that frogs in the curious town are climbing the tree, and instead of water there was the rain of pelting or the shower of pelting ice. Pelting का मतलब होता है मूसलाधार, and croaks is the sound made by the frogs. Next paragraph. And there the river flows with fire, the volcano is packed with dew. River flows with water, but here the river is carrying fire. And when we used to talk about, generally I think आप लोगों में से किसी ने वॉल्केनो को देखा नहीं होगा, बट जिन्होंने देखा होगा, टीवी में ही देखा, वो जानते ही होंगे कि जब वॉल्केनो से जो हमारे मटेरियल्स, जब कोई भी वॉल्केनो बर्स्ट आउट होता है तो उससे जो मटेरियल निकलता है दैट इज़ कॉल्ड लावा. इट इज़ वेरी हॉट, बहुत बहुत गर्म होता है. लेकिन यहाँ इस शहर में, क्यूरियस टाउन में क्या है, द वॉल्केनो इज़ पैक्ड विथ ड्यू. ड्यू बोलते हैं ओस की बूंदों को, और ओस की बूंदें बहुत शीतल होती हैं, ठंडी होती हैं. यानी इट इज़ जस्ट रिवर्स. ऑल द थिंग्स यू विल फील. जब भी आप पढ़ोगे ये पोएम, आप फील करोगे कि जो भी बातें हो रही हैं दैट ऑल आर जस्ट रिवर्स फ्रॉम द रियल लाइफ. दैट मीन्स it is giving us a sense that whatever we will expect, it is not necessary that it should be happen like same. It could be reverse. Then instead of being worrying, what we have to do, we have to face the situations bravely and enjoy the situation. And there you see a most curious side. Okay, so I have left two lines here. So the hues of the rainbows are more than 8 and the days in the week are 2. Generally when we used to talk about rainbow, we used to talk about 7 colors, but in this curious town the rainbow is having 8 colors, and the weeks are not having 7 days. Instead of 7, the weeks are only having 2 days. And there you see the most curious sight which can make a dead crow roar. The asses who roam have only 2 legs, while the men who walk have 4. इतना ही नहीं, पोएट सबसे ज़्यादा क्यूरियस यानी सबसे ज़्यादा अनयूजुअल साइट भी वहाँ देखते हैं. और वो क्या था, दैट मीन्स ऐसा भी कुछ हो सकता है जो आप जीवन में कभी आप सोचे ही ना हो, और वो आपके साथ हो सकता है. एंड ही इज़ रिजेंबलिंग दिस सिचुएशन फ्रॉम गिविंग अस अ सिचुएशन दैट इस सिटी में, इस टाउन में, सॉरी नॉट सिटी, इट्स टाउन में what is happening, the most uncommon sight he visualized there. And what was the sight? He saw that asses is here for the donkeys, who moves generally on 4 legs, who is a 4-footed animal. But in this curious town, he saw that they are roaming, they are moving on 2 legs, while the men who use, the human beings, the men who used to walk on 2 legs are moving on 4 legs. Now, and there the earth climbs up the sky till and so the green, the boat goes moving over the rocks, and over the seas the train. We observe in our regular life, in our real life, that boats are moving in water, the river, lakes, but in this town boats are moving on rocks. कभी देखा है क्या पत्थरों पे नाव को चलते हुए? बट यहाँ ऐसा ही है, नाव पानी में नहीं, नदियों में नहीं, ये कहाँ चल रहे हैं? दे आर मूविंग ऑन रॉक्स, और समुद्र में ट्रेनें चल रही हैं. दैट मीन्स इट वॉज द मोस्ट अनकॉमन साइट. इट वॉज नॉट अ natural or the day-to-day life example. It was strange. So these things have made the poet curious about this town. And now next paragraph. And there the north and the south exchange their places to pass their playtime. The sun it rises during the night and the moon comes out in the daytime. Now what does this mean? This means that now, all of you know that our Earth is consists of two polar areas, that is north and south pole areas. Now, what poet is assuming here, he is explaining that in Curious Town, what he observes that these two poles have exchanged their places for their fun. Do you think is it possible in our real life? Anna, no, it's never. It will, if it happens, it will call a lot of destruction. But here it is happening. The sun is rising in the night while the moon comes out in the daytime. यानी दिन में सूरज की जगह मून निकल रहा है और रात में मून की जगह सूरज निकल रहा है. These are the certain unusual and strange things which this poet observes in this curious town, which makes the poet full of curiosity to know about this town. He is not only observing this curious town, but I told you earlier कि पोएट इस पोएम में हमें बहुत कुछ ना सिर्फ इंटरटेन तो कर ही रहे हैं इन फ़नी लाइंस के थ्रू, फ़नी सिचुएशंस के थ्रू, बट ही इज़ ऑल्सो टीचिंग अस अ मॉरल. हमें लाइफ, जीवन का सार भी समझा रहे हैं कि जीवन जैसा भी है बहुत खूबसूरत है. उसको प्यार से हर एक सिचुएशन को समझते हुए हिम्मत के साथ वी शुड enjoy the life. When situations are not in our control, what we used to do? We used to enjoy the situations, the events, the thing which is happening around us. Instead of being worried, we should keep ourselves, our near and dear ones happy. So students, I hope you all have understand the poem, and through this video I have explained the maybe some disturbance will be occurred in the virtual classes, but I tried my best that I could explain you the poem in this video. So for now that's over, and in our next class we will try to do the exercises which are related from this step, and then we will move forward.